Jen's Kitchen, where we're bringing families together, one recipe at a time. In today's video, I'm going to be making cheesy Brussels sprouts. If you like my video, flip that like button and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn on that cooking video timer. Thank you. We're going to start by preheating the oven at 400 degrees. Once our oven gets hot, we're going to throw in the bacon and let that crisp up. And we're going to start making our roux. Once our roux has been made, we're going to start making our cheese sauce. So we're going to throw in the milk and all of our spices. We're going to give that a quick mix, and then we're going to throw in a nice portion of cheese. You're going to put a cover on that pot of deliciousness and let it simmer for a while. And then you're going to pull out your bacon. Now for my favorite part, we're going to throw in some bacon grease and some bacon pieces into that sauce. So now we're going to start assembling the casserole. So first you're going to start off with a layer of Brussels sprouts. Then you're going to add in the sauce. And then you're going to cover it with a blanket of cheese. So now you're going to put it in the oven and bake it for 45 minutes. Oh my, does this look delicious. But be sure to wait 5 minutes before digging in. If you like my video, make sure to click one of these links. Thank you.